my gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of Celine mini flap wallet. So if you guys interested to see which wallet and what color I picked up, please keep watching. Alright, so let's jump straight into the unboxing. We don't have a Celine store here in Brisbane. We have one in Gold Coast in Pacific Fair, but that's also like in Davy Jones. They don't have a boutique here in Brisbane just yet, but they did end up having a pop-up in Queen's Plaza here in Brisbane, so I ended up going there, and that's where I actually bought this wallet from. So yeah, let's jump into the unboxing. This is not a true unboxing. I have used this wallet once since I bought it. This is what the box looks like. As everybody knows, it just comes in a beautiful white Celine box, and once you open it, this is the dust bag. What I bought is in this beautiful color. I forgot what the name of the color is. I'll probably put it on the screen, and this is what it looks like. Isn't it just beautiful? So yeah, it's just beautiful. I am so in love. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. So it's got this coin pouch where you can put coins if you want. So you got 7 card slots. You've got 3 here. You can put 1 card under here, and then we got 2 card slots here, and even you can, if you want to, you can put some of the cards here as well, but I haven't tried it. But the number of cards I carry on daily basis, this is the perfect wallet for me. And then, you know, this is a nice and roomy space as well for your notes and for your bills and stuff like that. So as you can see, I mean, like, it's a little bit bulky, but not so much. And this is the other side, and this is the front, and this is the back. And the reason I didn't went with like a classic black or a classic brown, because I don't know, I would just wanted to add something a little bit different. I know it's a light color, so it got the tendency of getting dirty and all that, so we'll see how I go. But at the moment, it is just very pretty. I was looking for the other wallet. I don't know what it's called, but that is a little bit smaller than that. It also comes with a card holder which you can detach and attach to the wallet. That wallet was like really small. I think I probably have a video of a picture which I will insert somewhere on the screen. I was wanted to buy that, but that was like probably like this big, like this tall. And I was also planning to wear this wallet as a crossbody micro bag, and the one I was initially looking to buy, that was like way too small, and I think it was like really compact wallet. The slots for the cards were like a little bit smaller and very tight, and I just thought that I will be really struggling. I'm not really sure if it will like stretch over time. Maybe it will, but in the beginning, it's like, I don't know, I find it like it wasn't very roomy. So there's a bare minimum space to put your card in and then to take your card out, because I think the reason is because they wanted to make it like very compact, so there is not enough space. I mean, like, there is, but if you compare it to this wallet, like, it's really nice and roomy, with like you don't have any issue to take your cards in and out. I can even put like my fingers easily in here, where it's like in the other one I was not able to do that. That was like very the slots are really tight. And also, because my plan is to wear this as a crossbody, the other bag, it was like way too small. That's like micro crossbody bag that will be. I mean, you can still wear it, but I wanted to get something which, like, if I'm holding in my hand, it just like, it looks nice. I'm not saying that doesn't look nice, but for my lifestyle and the way that I wanted to use it, I just found that this wallet will be really easy for me, because on daily basis I'll probably do like a bag collection. If you will see my bags, you'll know that I am more of like a crossbody bag kind of girl, and I don't carry much on regular basis. I just carry 1 lipstick, a card holder, maybe just a mini hand cream, sanitizer, and that's all you will find in my bag. I do not carry you know, my whole house in my bag. If like if I'm going out, if I'm going for shopping and all that, I carry the bare minimum. Yes, in my work bag I have lots of things, but if I'm just going out and about, I don't carry much. So this bag will fit in some of my crossbody bags, but not all of them, because it is a little bit bulky and it is a little bit big compared to some other compact wallet. But for my lifestyle, I think this is just a perfect wallet. I'll probably do another video of me showing you guys how I'm going to convert this into a micro crossbody bag, so that we'll do some other time. But yeah, so this is what the wallet look like. So I will link this in the description bar below for you guys if you are interested, check it out. But so yeah, so just a quick video to show you guys that this is the wallet I picked up, and I am just so much in love with this wallet. It is just so beautiful. And yeah, I love Celine. I don't think I have posted a video, but I bought the Celine Ava bag and I loved it. I never ended up doing an unboxing of that bag, but I returned that bag. But that saga is for some other day, because that turned out to be a fake bag. So I'll probably do a video about that as well, so that you know, you guys are aware about, like, there are some websites which are like completely scammers. But anyway, so that video will do some I have filmed a video, but I never ended up posting it, so I might post that video. But anyway, so today's video is about this beautiful wallet, and I love it. This is just so beautiful, and I just thought I'll show you guys that this is the wallet I picked up, because there is not, I mean, like, there are videos, but there are not many videos of like some specific things that sometimes I'm looking for, and there is no video. So I just hope that this video is helpful for you guys, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye my gorgeous.